Hello my dear friends, if you want to transfer the ownership of your Telegram channel, then you are in the right video. Just follow the step-by-step process that I'm gonna show you here in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Now open the Telegram channel. Now after opening your Telegram channel, click on your profile photo at the top of the page. Click on administrators. Now click on add admin. Now at the top right corner here is a search bar. So search his name. So this is the person that I want to transfer the channel ownership. So we gotta select this person, and now you gotta give some permissions to this person. And now look at the last option, add new admins. So you gotta turn it on. And now look at the last option, transfer channel ownership. So click here, and then you can see a pop-up notifications here. If you want to transfer your ownership to any person, you gotta turn on the two-step verification on your Telegram channel, and that to 7 days ago. Now click on set password. So first you gotta turn on your two-step verification. So click on set password, and after re-entering your password, just click on this right arrow icon on the right side. Again, you gotta re-enter the password. Now after re-entering the password, again click on this right arrow icon. You can create an optional hints for your password. You can write a name or whatever you want, but for now I want to skip this process. Okay, so skip this. Now you gotta enter an email address here. After typing the email address, just click on this right arrow icon, and now a two-step verification code has been sent to that email address. So copy that code and then paste it here, and now paste the code. And now go back, and after doing this, click on this tick mark at the top right corner. And remember one thing, the ownership isn't transferred yet because I've just turned on the two-step verification. But to transfer the ownership, you gotta turn on the two-step verification 7 days ago. As I've turned on the two-step verification just now, so I'll be able to transfer the channel ownership after 7 days. So after 7 days to transfer the ownership for the channel, what to do? You gotta click on this new admin and then click on transfer channel ownership. As soon as you click on channel ownership, your ownership will be transferred. So this is how you can transfer the ownership of a Telegram channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative tutorial, then subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful tutorial. Till then, thank you, bye bye.